How to use test mode for a test, student access. To use the test mode feature, start by creating your test and remember to use the assessment of score in order to pass back to Focus Gradebook. Under Options, scroll to the bottom of the screen for test security and check the box for test mode, remembering to click Save. If testing on a Chromebook, there is nothing to install. However, if testing on a desktop, please see your Tech 4 for help in installing the test mode browser. Once the test is activated and you are ready for your students to take the test, have them navigate to the Apps icon on their Chromebook. This is on the screen before they actually log into the Chromebook. From here, they will choose Test Mode, It's Learning. The first time students access the test mode, they will be required to select their school district. Using the drop-down menu and the search box, have them put in Escambia County and click Go to My Site. The sign-in process should now start looking familiar to your students. By clicking Login with ECSD User Account, your students will then be directed to the screen in order to put in their single sign-on credentials. Once logged in, students will just have a test mode tab into the core. They will not be able to open any other tabs, nor will they be able to take any kind of screenshots. From here, students will navigate to the course and open up the test in order to take it. Once the test is completed and submitted, students then can push the power button in order to open up the dialog box. From here, they can click power off or sign out.